Hello once again, YouTube. I had purchased this weather radio on eBay in the latter parts of 2021. I think it was like in October or September of 2021. It was after Hurricane Ida, and I was looking to have an upgrade to what I was carrying before as my EDC weather radio. And actually, this is a vintage model. It was came off the assembly line sometime in 2004. I want to say October. But the model number is. I have to look at it through my glasses. Excuse me again. Uh, it is a Radio Shack number 12-259. And I had my first one of these. It was a rare red one that I bought with some Christmas money I got way back in 2009. And I had it till about 2012. And then it just killed on me, unfortunately. But I gave it another go and bought this one, and I hope I can write a review of it on my blog in the product reviews section very soon. But what I wanted to show was this radio doing the Siren test, since so many people like that. So here we go. And that's what it sounds like. I actually had a dream about this radio, and I plan to be turning the dream I had about this radio into a story of mine for the fiction section of my blog. So check that out, those of you that read my blog. And I'm still getting TV reception issues, and I think it's caused by my mobile hotspot, because usually this is the channel that comes in the strongest at my location. I'm in Shreveport, Louisiana, and the station is WVLA out of Baton Rouge, and usually it works wonderfully, but tonight it's been having issues, and I want to say it's because I have my mobile hotspot plugged in, which provides me with internet. So I wish, again, I could show some cool shots on my TV, but I'm not able to at the moment, and I apologize. But y'all have a blessed day.